Hello everyone, this is Miss Ma. We meet again uh, in this way. So today we are going to start our first lesson. In this lesson, we are not going to start any new topics. Instead, we are going to use this chance to review some topics we learned before. So let's get started. As you can see, the title today is called Variables and Expressions. So you see here, so this one, we all know this is called expression, and the letters here, x, we know is called variable. So the whole thing we call expression, it can be, and every single part here, do you remember what we called? Yeah, some of you already figured out. This is actually called term. So some student might wonder, do we even also call -7 here is also a term? Yes, every single part in expression we call term. And just because this is a number, no variable, we call constant, just because it's not changing, constant term. Okay, this is just a very quick review for this. So let's just check one example and we can finish the lesson. It can be a very quick one. So in this example, we actually use the same expression. In this one, we are asked to evaluate expression when x equal to -3. Some students might wonder, so evaluate basically meaning find the value. When x equals 3, when x equal to -3, all we need to do, plug into -3 in the expression. So one thing I'm going to remind you is, when we place the value into each part, do not forget to put the parentheses if there is exponents here. So what I'm going to do, instead of put -3 to the second power, I'm going to put a parenthesis around this. So that you may wonder, why do I do that? Later I'm going to tell you. So in this case, if you put in the calculator in this way, then probably you are going to get answer for -9, which is, for this case, is going to be wrong answer. Because instead of doing this, we actually, the second power applies to -3. So that's why it's actually equals to -3 times -3, which is should be 9. So that's a common mistake I want to address here. So it's actually 2 times 9. Let's put a cross here so it's easy to see. And also 3 times -3 is going to be -9, then -7. So we just continue doing the calculation. Of course, if you want to do on your calculator, which is fine, but I do hope you can use mental math from time to time. So the final answer is 2. You can also try this way. Before you check this part, you can just stop and to see if you can get the same answer as mine. Okay, so that's just it. This is a very quick example for you to check today. Final reminders for before you jump to the classwork today. Probably you're going to see something like this, 3 to the 0 power or something to the 0 power. If you do remember, we mentioned before, any non-zero number to the 0 power is what? Yes, you're right. The answer is 1. So for example, 2 0 power is 1, x to the 0 power is 1 if its x is not 0. Okay, so that's basically a reminder for you. And also for classwork, just one thing I want to remind you. I know in math, if you type the expressions, exponents, this kind of symbol is going to be hard to type it. So if you want to, you can write on the paper and also take a picture in the document and submit the work. Okay, so that's it. That's for our very short first lesson. Any questions, please email me. Bye, everyone.